In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to allow emoticons in Outlook. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add emojis to your emails so they look polished and express the right tone, whether you're writing something friendly, fun, or just adding a touch of personality to a professional message. Start by opening Outlook in your web browser and signing in. Once you're on your inbox, look for the option to compose a message. Click New to open a fresh email draft. This gives you a clean canvas where we can try out emojis in the body of the message as you type. If your Outlook shows multiple views like Mail, Calendar, or People, make sure you're in Mail. That ensures you see the standard Compose window and your formatting tools. If you're not already there, select Mail from the left navigation or the view selector at the bottom, then return to your new message. Now for the emoji picker, while your cursor is in the body of the email, press the Windows key and the period key together. That shortcut is Windows key plus dot. You should see a small panel appear with a full set of emojis ready to insert. This is built right into Windows, so it works anywhere you can type text, including Outlook's Compose box. If the panel doesn't appear, make sure the email body is active by clicking inside it, then try the shortcut again. From the emoji panel, browse categories along the bottom or scroll to see more. You can also start typing a keyword like smile, party, or thumbs to quickly filter results. Click any emoji to insert it directly into your message at the cursor position. If you add one in the wrong spot, use backspace or undo to remove it, then place your cursor and try again. You can insert as many as you like and mix them with regular text, formatting, or links. A few helpful tips as you work. Emojis are inline characters, so they'll move with your text if you add or delete words around them. Display can vary slightly depending on your recipient's device and email client, but common emojis generally render well. For professional emails, keep emojis minimal and choose universally understood icons to avoid confusion. If you need to adjust tone, consider placing an emoji at the end of a sentence rather than in the middle of a phrase. That's all there is to it. Open Outlook, start a new email, confirm you're in Mail, press Windows key plus period to open the emoji picker, and